Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 25, 2022, 4-star Sudoku, 6th grade. 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6, 7. Column J, we have 3 and 7. 3 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of the cells. Column H, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 5th row we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 6. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells, 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 2nd row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, this cell, then 1 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Second row and 3rd row we have 6, so 6 can't come these cells. Column J also we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, then 6 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 3rd row we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Column F also we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Column F and column I we have pair numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fourth row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fourth grade, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8, 9. Column B and column D we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. 5th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Since 4 is here, 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 4, 5, 8 we will confirm later. Column F, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8, 9. 8th row, 10th row we have pair numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come any one of the cells. 4th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 3. Column D we have 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the cells. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Second row we have 5 and 8. 5 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second grid, only two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come any one of the cells, you will confirm later. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Fifth row and seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grid, only one number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Sixth row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Since 4 is here, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, three numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 6. Ninth row, here 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Sixth row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column G, ninth row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. No, 6 is confirmed here. Fifth row on column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Seventh row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Ninth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Eighth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Eighth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row we have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. 8th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.